Hi everyone. So day by day, all of these AI tools are adding new features. Now this Perplexity also have added a new feature which is spaces. So if you see that what are the spaces, and if I take you to this official website perplexity.ai, here you can see that new option spaces is added on the left hand side as a menu. If you click on this, here you can see that some example spaces already added: brainstorm party, the art of war review. Okay, and create a space. If you click on this create a space, then you can create a custom space. Now what are the advantages? So here you can see why use spaces. First of all, organize your research, collaborate seamlessly, upload file to your space, search your files and the web. So if you see here, let me click on any custom spaces like this brainstorm party. Here you can see that you can actually ask question to this Perplexity AI. Now here is another option which is Pro. Here you can see that if you click on this Pro toggle, this is that follow my cursor. If you enable this Pro, then you will get 5 searches left today. Okay, so if I show you here, you can see that free user can use Pro search 5 times every 4 hours. Okay, and these Pro search actually give a deeper insight on any topics. And if you click on the sources, here you can see that two things: web and files. So normally wave is enabled, and now if you have a pro plan, then you can upload your own files and it will take your files plus wave to search on the topic that you have provided. Okay, now to upload the files, here you can see that on the right hand side there is a files plus option. So if you click on this plus, then you can upload your own files like this. Okay, by the way, to use this files option you need a pro plan. Okay, and also the next thing is that you can add collaborators. So currently they have a limit of 10 collaborators, I think. So here you can see that up to 10 collaborators for the pro users. Okay, you can add. So you can actually share this link. Okay, so here you will get the link and you can share this up to 10 collaborators, and that 10 person can actually discuss on a topic. So suppose you are searching on any topic or you are researching on any topic, then in that case you can share this link with your 10 friends and you can together research on any topic. You can type a question here and your answer or your searchable topic can be viewed by other members, right? So in this way you can collaborate. So this is a thing that you will you will get the advantage. And these type of files are supported like Excel, PowerPoint, Docs, PDF and CSV, and each file can be up to 25 megabyte in size. Okay, remember this thing. And here you can see plan for a business trip. These are the example that they have given, that how you can get advantage from these Perplexity spaces. Plan for a business trip, travel logistics. Suppose 10 friends or 5 to 4 friends, you are planning for a business trip. Then in that case, you can upload the information that you have for that country that you want to visit. Then it can search your files and the web to gather the information and you can plan accordingly. Okay, so this is the advantage that you will get. So I think this is a good features that they have added to this Perplexity, and you should use this. And so I want to end this video here. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like this video. Please make sure you subscribe. And I upload this type of videos daily. And don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.